What's up, everybody? Brian Tong here, and look, this background is green. I'm wearing green. My Apple Watch band is green. My bead bracelet is green. What do you think that we're doing? Of course, we are opening up the unboxing. Boom. The new green iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro. We have the 13 here in green, and we have the 13 Pro here in Alpine Green. Plus, we got these new Eucalyptus silicone cases for both of them. So without further ado, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I say let's open them because they will be a little different tones, and it's always exciting when there's new colors. I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm not making this up. Like, why wouldn't you be excited if there's new colors? So here we go. I don't even need like a blade because I'm so good, or Apple got this packaging good for me, but here we go. This is the first look at the iPhone 13 green. Oh, this is like, look at this. This is like, to me, this is like a deep forest green. It's obviously got the ceramic shield material for the 13. You see here the metal frame around here, but this is kind of like, what does it look like? This? Does this melt into my shirt? This is nice. I already getting fingerprints all over it. But obviously there's no power adapter here. You got your charging cable, USB-C to Lightning. Wow. This is nice. Okay, that's one down. So this is the 13. Let's just put these on the side over here. Let's go. I mean, if we're gonna get the 13, should we put the 13 Pro right next to it? Okay, let's go now. 13 Pro next to 13 with my smudgy fingers. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? It's so satisfying. Yeah. All right, here we go. Get this out of the way for beauty purposes. Here we go. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Alpine Green unveil. Let's do it. Okay. This is sweet. I mean, this is, look at that. Look at, I hope you can catch this, but the green metallics here, it looks so nice. And then inside where the cameras are, it really does kind of have that glassy look from the 13, and then you kind of have the dull metal from the 13 Pro in the on the iPhone 13, so they're kind of almost reversed in a way. Oh, okay, let's look at this. Man, you know, I remember was it the 11? The 11 Pro that had that green glass backing. This is totally reminiscent of it. Oh, it's so nice. There you go. And then its frame is kind of more of a deep, dark, glossy, the kind of deep green. Wow. Can I trade my iPhone in for this one? Because I love green too. Oh, this is so sick. Okay, so let's put these side by side to get a nice look at them. You can see the frame. I like how it alternates where it's kind of more glossy and shiny on the 13. It's the metal anodized look on the 13 Pro. You'll see that here around the cameras. You'll even see it here on the frames, of the metal frames here. Damn, this is nice. Let's get a good look here for these cameras here just to see how pretty it is. You've got, again, the more metallic versus the shiny green. And then you have the details on the cameras. Oh man, frames. Whew. I'm telling you, I don't know who upgrades their phone in the middle of the cycle just for a different color or like changes up, but this is gorgeous. I have the space gray one right now. Okay, now here we go. The other part of this is there's all new cases kind of with spring colors, but Apple did provide these phones and these cases for this unboxing, kind of first look and first impression. So let's open this. This is called Eucalyptus. Here's the case. It says it here in like really tiny print. And I'm just gonna slide it open and woo, Eucalyptus. Oh, this Eucalyptus it's a little deeper, but you know, I got the whole green theme going on. We're gonna pop this one here on the iPhone 13. I've got to tell you right now, like, I actually like how intense the green is. It's almost like a deep jade green. Look at this. That's what it looks like. It's like a deep jade green. Oh, it's so nice. So here's the Eucalyptus case on here. I do think that with the iPhone 13 Pro, the I can't even talk. The Eucalyptus case will kind of really match a little more to that dull green, that metallic anodized green look. Do that. Oh, it's really like the polished glass, but I don't know. I'm gonna tell you right now. Yeah, you need the case for protection, but what do you think? I think it looks way hotter if you can go naked. And I know some of y'all do. I've done it for a while, but I did drop my phone twice, and when I went naked, and it shattered both times. But whew, I don't know. This Pro is beautiful. So price-wise, this is available to order now. You can get the entry-level 13 Pro, $999. The entry-level iPhone 13, that's $699. And then the cases, these are $49 that you can purchase online, but green is my favorite color. This is beautiful. What else we got here? Well, purple, it goes purple then green, but you know what? I figured like we should also get an idea of what other things, you know, how we can compare this green. We got my shirt, we got my watch band, we got my bracelet. What about comparing it to, oh, Baby Yoda? Are you serious? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's do the top cam. Baby Yoda, no, it does not match. This actually looks pretty boss here. Baby Yoda, whoop whoop. Yeah, you dig it? I know you dig it. Is this guy on? There's this thing where like, if I had him on, like he'd kind of do weird things and like react. Maybe, let me see if I can turn him on real quick. Oh, let's turn him on. Yeah, let's turn him on. Okay, if I rub his head, does he do anything? What do you think, Baby Yoda? Or Grogu? Oh, you like 13? Or you like 13 Pro? Huh? What do you think? Maybe undecided. Okay, fair enough. This is so cool. Okay. Hey, I'm trying to do an unboxing and first impressions. Okay, I'm gonna put Baby Yoda over here. You can chill and hang out. Okay. What about this plastic plant? Hey, over here. Okay. Here we go. You guys can guys and gals can take a look at this for yourself. What do you think? What do you think? You know, from the top down. Hey, Grogu. Seriously. Seriously. We got this. And then finally, I mean, I still think it matches my shirt the most. I think, bro, I think maybe we should see if we can compare it to the Eye of Agamotto. Should we? But everyone's like, where's the green here? Huh, I don't know. Oh! It's right here! It's right here! Clearly, the only reason I busted this out is just to show off how green the greens look. Just, I don't know, I'm just having fun here. So anyways, everybody, that is my first impressions and unboxings of the iPhone 13 Pro in Alpine Green, the iPhone 13 in green, and then we got the Eucalyptus case here. Available to order now. Woo, these are nice, and hold on. Oh dang, I just blanked. All right, see y'all.